welcome back to another studio vlog. I had a very nice week off last week. We visited a beautiful park called Belton Park. It's a National Trust place here in the UK, and yeah, we got to see some deer and some beautiful gardens, and yeah, it was really lovely to get away a little bit. And yeah, so I'm back in the studio now. Yesterday was a bit more of a quiet day, and today I've been working on sketching out a commission and just doing little bits and pieces today, and I'll bring you along with me. So I've just been messaging my client and they're happy with the sketches, so I've ordered the canvas ready for that commission, and now I'm going to move on to some Patreon things. I need to put up a blog post and I'm going to share all about our holiday and share some of the pictures that we took and things that we did. So I'm going to do that now. So guys, I have something very exciting to share with you. I am gaining a new studio. So this is our garage, and hubby's things were all over this side, so he's moved them over here. And as you can see, he's put up a temporary block wall here to symbolise where the division is going to be. But yeah, I'm very excited. We are going to halve the garage so that we've got half each. And as you can see, we've got a window just here, and that's going to have French doors. And yeah, this whole area is going to be mine. So I'm going to put in a window right there, and I've got plenty of space for big desks and things. So I was complaining couple of weeks ago that I didn't have enough space for wrapping my bigger paintings and things, and that it was awkward, and I'm gonna have this space, so I'm super excited. We've just kind of put stuff in here for now. Things still need to be moved. We've got to put a shed up so that we can put all the gardening things in, and all that wood needs to be moved, and a proper wall is going to be put in here, floor to ceiling, and a fire door is going to go here. And yeah, we're going to clean it all up. We're going to sort the ceiling out and board that, and everything's going to be painted white. So yeah, I'm very excited. We're going to do it in phases because it's going to be quite a big project and quite costly. So we're going to start off by putting up the wall, getting in the French doors just here. So I'll show you from this angle. So there's a door and a window there at the moment. We're going to put French doors in there, so that will bring some more light into here, which will be really good. And yeah, so the window won't go in yet, which is a bit sad, but at least I'll have the French doors in. And like I said, we're going to paint it all white and board up the ceiling, and I'm not sure if we're changing the light right away, but we will in the future. So I'll have a lovely big wall here, and that's going to be painted white and plasterboarded so that I can hang pictures on there. And I'm going to use my other easel that I had in my other studio, going to have it for displaying and stuff at the moment. So I think initially I'll be using this space for storage and for packaging up big paintings and preparing them. It'll be a lot easier to have space in here to put like the fixings on and stuff like that. So yeah, it's going to be great, an additional space to do those things in, and over time we'll do more and more to this to get it to the point that we want, and eventually I'll move in here completely. So this is very exciting. So this is kind of the before sort of shot to show you, and in the vlogs I will be updating you on how that's going and showing you each step of the way. So very, very exciting, and I can't wait to be able to get in here and start using it. Even in the first phase, it's going to be great to have some extra space. So yeah, so that's very exciting. Hello guys, so it is Thursday already, can you believe it? Just now I've been showing you around the garage that is going to become my new studio. That is so exciting, and I'm excited to get on with the first phase of that. And yeah, so today I have recorded a podcast for my beautiful patrons, and just been catching up a bit on some degree stuff. I've set a deadline for my next assignment, and I've got a big pile of books here and my notebook, and I'm just going through everything, seeing what needs to be done. And now I really need to catch up because I've had a bit of a break, and yeah, so I'll be focusing on that quite a bit in the next few weeks. But I've also got some fun other things going on which I will bring you along with me. So yeah, so it's good to tick off a few things off the to-do list this morning. That's a bit of a mouthful. And yeah, so I think I'm going to be doing degree work this afternoon, maybe a bit of painting. And I can't believe the week is almost over already, and haven't really got a lot done this week, but we're getting there. So I'll catch you again in a bit. So this is what I worked on yesterday afternoon. I have been taking some photographs of flowers in my garden, and I've got these beautiful foxgloves, and wanted to do another foxglove drawing because they're one of my favourites. So I did a loose sketch in my Strathmore mixed media sketchbook, and then I transferred it into Procreate, and this is what I've got so far. I'm really loving how it's turning out. I think I might need to add a little bit more detail at the tops of the foxgloves. I think I'm missing some like little wispy bits at the top, and the stems are looking quite sparse. I mean, that is how the plant is currently growing because they're quite new. They're sort of not matured foxgloves, so there is not a lot of buds on them at the moment, but I might fill in a few more just to make it look a little bit better. But this is work in progress, so still on the base layers, and only just starting to put in some detail. So there's lots of work to do on that one still, but I really enjoyed sitting down and sketching and working on something new. So that was exciting. Welcome to Friday. So yesterday was kind of a productive day. I got bits for degree sorted out, set a new deadline, and what else? Oh, I did the sketching that you would have just seen, and yeah, so that was really good. And today, well, this morning I have been starting editing this vlog, and having a bit of a tidy up because this little room is getting a bit messy again. I can't wait to have my other space in the garage to give me a bit more room, and just sort of looking at a few things that I could store in there to free up some space. And yeah, so this morning I'm also going to make up those cards that I showed in the last vlog. It's these ranunculus ones. I've got them all printed out, and I've yet to make them up into proper cards, so I'm going to do that this morning, finish the vlog, and see what's next on the to-do list. So let's finish those cards up. These cards have turned out. They are so pretty and they're great for many occasions. So as I've mentioned before, I have lots of cello left over. If you're wondering why I'm still using cello bags, it's because I've still got a stash. So I'm using those up before I change over to something more eco-friendly. But yeah, so I've got a little stack of these cards now and I can add them to my shelf. It's so nice to have a new design at last. So here we go, we can add them to the shelf now. Oh, I'm really happy with those. It's so nice to have a new design and they look perfect with all the others. I'm really pleased with those, and I'm now going to go and add them to my website. So by the time that you watch this vlog, they will be available on my web shop. Oh, it feels so good to have a new design at last. It's taken me ages to get to this point, but yeah, really pleased. They look really nice with all the others. They fit in really well. So like I said, I'm going to add that to the website. And this afternoon, I think I'm going to work on the garden series painting, one of them, yeah, just have a chill afternoon painting. It's pretty hot still here in the UK, so it's not very comfortable in the studio, but I would love to have a painting session, and I think Friday afternoon is the perfect time to do it. So I'm going to go add that card to the website, going to finish the editing this vlog, and then get painting this afternoon. So I will say goodbye here, and I will join you again for a new studio vlog very soon. Hope you enjoyed watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.